Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you how to set your website setting. So here on the main screen, this is a button, a link, the Globe website. Uh, so when you create an account in AIMS, it's automatically create your website as well. Uh, for setting up the website, we have given a proper admin panel. If you click on this website setting link, it will take you to your admin panel. So this is your website admin panel, uh, where you can import the demo data. This is very important before starting setting up your website. So click on the import demo data, and that demo data has imported successfully. So now if you refresh it, you will be able to see like uh, a lot of things which has been imported by default, and you can change all of the contents, graphics, whatever you want. This is the demo data which has been imported from the main system, and you can change, you can edit, you can put all of the data belongs to your own institute, and whatever you want to show on your website, it will be very easy to set up from here.